Fill the surface of the tray with water. Add 4 drops of blue color to the water and 1 drop of yellow color and mix well using the stirring stick. Spread citric acid all over the surface of water. Slowly add baking soda all over the tray. Did you see the fizzy ocean?
Wow!
Scientific explanation. When citric acid and baking soda are combined in water, they undergo a chemical reaction. The fizz we observe consists of carbon dioxide gas bubbles being released. This same type of fizzing can be seen when opening a soda bottle.